Welcome to our live stream announcement.
Yes.
We'll announce the superlatives in just a minute.
Mhm.
A few things. So we are terribly sorry that your prom got canceled. And we know this will not replace prom, but we thought we'd at least try to have some fun, make you guys laugh at us. We did fully get dressed.
Flapper attire. I still have my heels on because I would during prom.
And these are the shoes I'd be wearing by this point, so that's what I have on.
Yes.
So, but we hope you guys are doing well. We miss you. We miss seeing you at school. Hopefully we'll be back to school soon, sometime. But for now, stay at home. Don't spread the coronavirus. Notice we have appropriate social distancing. Anything else you want to tell?
Prom king and queen, we will not be announcing at this time, but we will figure out a time at which to do that. We'll be in contact with those of you who are on the court and wanted to continue fundraising. So Ms. Moyer and I will be in contact with you all and in contact with Coach Kirk and see how we want to do that announcement.
Because we did check with some of the candidates and some of them decided to go ahead and continue, others decided not to, which is totally fine. So I'm wondering if we need to move that up closer to us, so the computer, so they can hear.
Oh, I don't know. Peyton, push it forward. My daughter is the camera woman today. Thank you, Peyton. Thank you. You're so good.
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on. We're not ready. We need ambiance. Ambiance.
Oh, yeah.
Alexa, play 20s music. Wait for it. Is it Satchmo? Yes. Satchmo.
All right, we have pink on our sheet, so that means Coco is starting.
Yes. All right, so our first superlative is best dressed boy and girl. The best dressed boy for the class of 2020 is Ty Robertson. Congratulations, Ty. I hope that you are as well dressed as we are right now, okay? And best dressed girl, I just know this young lady is in her formal wear right now. Mackenzie Marks. Congrats, Mackenzie. Now the next is purple, so it's Momo's turn.
So next category, most talented. So most talented boy goes to Juan Ortiz. Congratulations. Maybe you can post us a video of your talent later. And then most talented girl goes to Olivia Key. So congratulations to you as well.
Well, that's a good idea. Best dressed kiddos. Y'all do that too. Ooh, and we also wanted to encourage all of you, since you don't get to have a prom, get dressed in your formal wear and your prom wear and, tag us at the Instagram page, Mac Seniors 2020, and we'll try to collect your pictures as you do that. But again, safe social distancing.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Our next one is athletic. Our most athletic boy, congratulations, Charles Collins. Oh, Charles. He's used to me saying that. Most athletic girl, this was so close, but congratulations, Beth Montez. Yay, Bethy.
Number 4?
Yeah.
All right, we are now going to most intellectual. Most intellectual boy is Charles Guyman, and most intellectual girl is Ellie Zinsmeister. So congratulations to you two smarties.
Number 5. Oh, we're splitting this one.
Oh, okay.
This is most outgoing. That's what we're on, right? I don't math. You guys know me. No, I don't math. It's 5, the number.
Just counting in order.
I know. Well. Okay. Most outgoing boy goes to Hunter Clements. Congratulations, Hunter.
And most outgoing girl goes to Ivy Fowler.
Yay.
Peyton, are you getting any comments like that they can't hear us or anything?
No.
Okay. Perfect.
All I'm saying is congratulations on that time.
Oh, good.
Awesome.
Oh, good. Okay. All right. After 5 comes number 6.
Yes.
Okay. Number 6 is most handsome and most beautiful. So our most handsome boy for 2020 is Matthew Murak. And I hope that I said your last name correctly. I think that I did. I am so sorry if I did not. Our most beautiful girl is Miss Libby Sims.
All right, we are going to go to most spirited, and most spirited boy goes to Malachi Coleman. So 3 cheers for you. And our most spirited girl is Caitlin Byers. Yay!
Okay, next is, wittiest. All right. The wittiest student for the class of 2020 is Jacob Phipps. Congratulations.
And
See, it's hard.
9.
Number 9, I
Okay.
believe.
Most involved senior goes to Miss Delaney Rayner.
Congratulations. I'm just making sure we got all. Yep, we did. Okay. 10. 10. Most likely to succeed, class of 2020, goes to Colby Mass. Congratulations, Colbster.
And class clown goes to Benjamin Pena, or Benji, as we all know and love.
Don't think that was really
No,
a surprise
not a
there.
surprise there.
Okay, so number 12. Oh, cutest couple goes to Juan Carrasco, hi Juan, and Ananda Baez. Congratulations, y'all are precious.
Okay, and then True Blue Friends goes to the Caitlins, Caitlin Byers and Caitlin Contreras.
And then we have 14, right? Oh my gosh, you guys, we are up to
We're
Mr.
to
and
the
Miss
end.
Mac. This is it. Okay, number 14 is Mr. Mac. Mr. Mac for the class of 2020 at MacArthur High School goes to Austin Lee. Congratulations, Austin.
And our final award is Miss Mac, and that goes to Ellie Zinsmeister. So congratulations to everybody that won. If you missed the live video, we are going to make a post
Yes.
on Instagram with the pictures. And so we'll try to do these things with you guys once a week or so, just to do some fun things. We're thinking about maybe replaying the baby senior picture slideshow from Starlight Dinner.
I think it'd be fun. Send us what you're doing in quarantine.
Yeah,
Like send us
there
funny
you go.
pictures. Because we could be the quarantine. No? Yes? It's funny.
Did we mention the Dr. Micah video yet?
No, we did not mention
Okay.
that.
So Dr. Micah did record a special message for you seniors, and so you can check that out on the district's YouTube channel. I thought it was kind of encouraging what he
Yes.
said, so you definitely want to check that out. And I think that might be it
I
for
think,
us.
do we want to talk about M night or awards or anything?
Okay, so M Night, to be 100% honest, we have no idea how that will look, but we are still collecting nominations from the teachers and the staff. So we will have awards for you, but we are not sure how we're going to get them to you. So
It might
Stay
be something
tuned
like this where
for
we
that.
announce.
Yes.
Yeah, and then mail or something.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Yes.
We'll do something. We'll try to film these fun Fridays.
Yes.
Because we couldn't do senior Saturday because we don't work on Saturdays.
Nope.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Well, I think that's it for today, seniors. Hope you guys are doing well. We miss you. And adios, right?
Yep. Bye, guys.